Let's eat. Ayan, mukbang na naman tayo, guys. Ayan, since today is market day, so meron ako nito. This is one of my favorites. Then, ito. Ayan, maraming chicken nuggets. Ang sarap kasi nito, guys. Nakakagigil. Sobrang sarap. Yan. Mauubos ko yan lahat, guys. Pero pang dalawang kainan ko yan. Kasi nakakabusog talaga ang chicken nuggets. At saka ito. Yan. Fish, shrimp, then hotdog, squid. Yan. Mga sausages. Then, meron akong passion fruit drinks. Yan. Mas maganda yung mag-fruits tayo, guys. Wag yung soft drinks na in can lagi kasi nakakataba yun. Ito, healthy. So, ayan. Kain tayo, guys. Let's eat, guys. And thank you for watching. Thank you for your love and support always. I love you all. Have a blessed afternoon to all of us. Bye!